the things we business.
I got into real estate about 15 years ago. Straight out of high school, I started in the construction side of real estate. 3 years after that, I started my own company and ran that for 10 years. And then as I looked forward, I wanted to make a transition. I didn't want to go outside of real estate, so I went from the construction to the sales side and got my real estate license, where now I can work more independently with customers and clients to, instead of building their dream home, I can help them find and sell them their dream home. I joined the Mogul team because of the mantra here around the office is work hard, play hard, and live well. And I feel that everybody in the office here kind of lives by that, and they strive for excellence and push positivity throughout the office, which is a great environment that I like to be a part of. Yeah, it's a little bit about myself. I'm a sports enthusiast. I've played sports my entire life. I like to, if I'm not working, spend most of my days on a golf course in the summer and in the mountains snowboarding in the winter. My favorite thing about real estate would be building the relationships with people as they try to navigate themselves through a very stressful purchase, and when they're making a decision to try to build that foundational generational wealth for themselves as well as their families, and to see the smiles and make it an exciting experience instead of an extremely stressful one.